I quit asking a long time ago. You're good. So as you can see, we went with the fried stuff. Fried pickles, tater tots, mozzarella with parm sauce. That's the garlic. And we stopped here at this little place, Kenton Stories with Spirit, to get something to drink. And they told us very kindly that we could sit here and eat. So that's what we're going to do. Does this make you happy?
Yes, it does.
Makes me happy too. Oh, Lordy, that's good. Now, what have you got there?
It is called a bourbon slush. And we're about to see what this is all about. Oh my God.
Yeah, ain't that something?
It's amazing.
Yes. Yeah, this is the Kenton Stories with Spirit down here on the street, just down from the Purple Llama.
Oh my gosh.
If you've never been to Maysville, you need to come down here just one day.
The architecture here is amazing.
Yeah, these buildings are awesome. As you've seen up on Market Street where the festival's at, we're just around the corner. Just around the corner. Man, I don't turn that good anymore. I won't get you on the video.
Pardon?
I said I won't get you on the video.
Oh, please don't. I don't do pictures well. I bring cameras.
I doubt that. I doubt that. That is awesome. That slush is awesome.
Told you that it is.
Yeah.
I tell you that.
Y'all might not know it, but we're very picky about our tater tots. But these
Those
are
good.
just right. They're nice and firm, but soft on the inside.
And they have a wonderful crunch.
Yes. These pass the test for sure. So far, it's all been really good.
And pickles are yummy.
Yeah, they're very good. The ranch is just awesome. But this parm sauce over here, holy. Oh, that's awesome. It's great. Hold it. I guess I should have told you what all this cost. All this together was
$14.
$14. We were sitting here discussing it because it was well worth the price. Actually, yeah, because we had to pay a little extra for the sauce, but it's worth it. I think it was $1 extra for the sauce. The mozzarella sticks are just right. Sometimes they don't get that right. I think my favorite is the fried pickles. What's yours?
The bourbon slush.
Yeah, besides the bourbon slush, what's your
It's
favorite?
probably the fried pickles.
The fried pickles are awesome. Most of the time you get them in chips. These were in spears, which is a nice change.
It is.
We were talking though, and I believe the girl gave us back too much change, so we're going to go back up there and make sure she gets her $2 back. You know, every little bit counts when you're a small business. Since we both own a small business, we kind of know that. Okay, I'm going to turn this off right now because we're going to eat. Because someone's eating while I'm talking.
Snooze, you lose.
Yep. Don't go away. So we're going to look inside here, right?
Yep.
National Independent Bookstore Day.
It also says there's food, so.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. this is where we're at. And this is what they offer. You can read that through the reflection. Really cool storefronts. Look at that. When we come back out, I'll get a back shot from it. Oh, yeah.
They did not hear me, they did not use it. One of them did. It's okay, they don't listen to me. We'd like to thank everybody for coming out tonight and supporting the Buffalo Trace Firefighters Association. That's why all this is going on. We'd like to make a special thanks to International Paper who sponsored this event. So everybody give a round of applause to International Paper. And let's also give a round of applause for our first.
So, what we got here? Oh, it's fried cheesecake.
Deep fried.
Deep
cheesecake.
fried cheese. You don't need this.
Let me have that.
You don't need this.
Let me have it. Mine.
Tell us how it is.
Well, if I can get into it.
That's what she. Never mind. I know. Keep it family friendly.
Yes.
And
It's amazing.
of course it is. It's cheesecake and it's deep fried.
Deep fried.
It's bad for you and it's worse for you, so it's got to be good.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
Okay. And Todd and his crew, look at this, backed up. It was an odd Fellows Lodge. If you look right there, it says International Order of the Odd Fellows. Beautiful building.